In this video, we're going back to hi-fi basics and visiting a trusted friend from Denon. Hello, I'm Aaron from Richer Sounds, and in this episode, we're going to be looking at the Denon DM41 mini hi-fi system. The Denon DM mini hi-fi range has been a favourite of ours at Richer Sounds for many years. So how does the new DM41 stack up against its predecessors? Let's find out. You got your instructions there, or rather your quick start guide. It'll give you any information you need to know about the Denon and get you up and running as quick as possible. You got your remote control there. Anything you need to do with the Denon can be done from the remote control, of course. You get a standard UK plug as well as a European power plug. And now for the main event. Every time Denon bring out a new DM model, they always manage to tweak and improve it in nice little ways that just make it a step above its predecessor. One of the nice things about this range is the build quality. It's got that brushed metal front to it, which rather than being plasticky, gives it a real premium feel. You've got your eject, play, pause buttons, skip tracks, the usual things you'd find on a CD player. You've also got your source change and your Bluetooth button on there. So if you have a Bluetooth compatible device like a phone or a tablet, you just press the Bluetooth button on the front and you'll be listening to your music before you know it. Loads of inputs on the back of this. You've got two digital optical ins. You've also got a subwoofer output on the back of that as well, which is really handy. You've got an analog in, so you can do a standard left and right stereo input from anything you want. You've got your DAB digital radio and FM connection on the back there. Plenty of power handling. You've got two 30-watt outputs, so that'll handle any kind of small to medium-sized bookshelf or floor standing speaker. Plenty of volume to bother the neighbours with. What's that? Don't bother the neighbours. Oh, okay. And there we have it, the Denon DM41 mini hi-fi. If you'd like to hear the Denon for yourself, you can either call or pop down to your local Richer Sound store today and speak to one of our colleagues. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Thanks for joining me for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.